Yakub taking on Neeraj Pangal. Both these guys are making their debut at MFN.
Making his way to the cage, Neeraj Pangal!
So they are teammates and they're fighting each other.
Well, they're not teammates, they are rivals. But then it's unfortunate or maybe fortunate that they chose to go to the same camp.
तो ये बहुत मजेदार होने वाली है. Let's look at the tail of the tape.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 70.4 kilograms, representing Kashmir. Give it up for Owais Yakub. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 70.15 kilograms, representing Haryana, Neeraj Pangal.
You guys ready to fight? Let's have a good clean fight, okay? When I ask you to stop, please stop. Protect yourself at all times. If you want to touch gloves, do it now. Thank you.
We have Owais in the white trunks and Neeraj in the black-blue trunks. Here we go.
And the grudge match starts.
Straight punches के साथ वहाँ Neeraj.
Nice little liver kick there by Neeraj.
Not effective though. Oh, this one was effective. Oh! Both these
जबड़े
guys.
पे लगाया सीधा ओवेस ने एक तगड़ा राइट हैंड, लेकिन जवाब में नीरज ने लगाए मुक्के और आगे बढ़ते हुए नीरज खूबसूरत टेक डाउन. खतरनाक. नीरज इज ऑन फायर. ही गेट्स अनदर टेक डाउन. बहुत ही अग्रेसिवली चार्ज करके दबाया यहां पे नीरज ने ओवेस को नीचे. बैक ले रहे हैं अब यहां पे. बढ़िया डिफेंड किया वहां पे.
Defeat once again.
डिफेंड करके निकले.
Unanswered leg kicks is what is setting up all these punches to the head here.
2 मिनट पड़े हैं इस दूसरे राउंड में. आगे बढ़ते हुए नीरज पंचेस के साथ. यहां पे टॉन्ट किया ओवेस ने नीरज को कि क्यों लड़खड़ा रहे हो, और जवाब में नीरज ने मारे मुक्के.
That right hand of Neeraj connected right with the nose.
और ये तीसरे राउंड में आज हमें पता चलेगा कौन जीतता है इस फाइट को और कौन पुराना हिसाब भी सेटल करता है.
Oh, another low kick by Owais. Oh,
लो किक को कैच किया और टेक डाउन लिया.
We have an Armin guillotine here by Neeraj.
Well, looks a little bit tight here.
क्या यहाँ पे फिनिश है? Has Owais gone to sleep? Yes. Neeraj has put Owais to sleep. Neeraj wins the fight. What a finish, ladies and gentlemen. How did he pull out that guillotine? That came out of nowhere, and in just a matter of seconds, Owais was put to sleep. बहुत ही कमाल की finish.
What a finish, guys. What a finish.
What an excellent finish. In fact, Neeraj brings an end to this bad blood bout and submits Owais in round number 3. That was an excellent and very tight and powerful guillotine. Could be the next lightweight champion.
Ladies and gentlemen, ref Dan called a stop to the fight after 1 minute and 24 seconds of round 3, declaring the winner, submission by the guillotine, Neeraj Pangal!
देवी और सज्जनों, वेलकम बैक टू मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 14. चलते हैं अगली बाउट की तरफ, जो कि है लाइट वेट बाउट, जहां पे हमारे पास हैं हरियाणा के नीरज पंगाल और ये सामना करेंगे कलकत्ता के एसके आकिब अली.
Neeraj Pangal taking on Akib Ali. A lot of fighters represented by Warriors Cove here tonight.
Well, to me it looked, the last couple of fights it looked like this is Warriors Cove versus rest of the world.
Check kicks are, when you kick an opponent, the kick hurts both parties at the same time. It hurts your shin as well as hurts the opponent. But very nice low leg kick and check by Aqib Ali. Good inside leg kick there, but good defense by Pangal. Slow start, both fighters showing a lot of respect to one another, taking their time, gauging their timing and distance. But Ali doing a good job trying to cut him off and push him towards the back of the cage. Pangal doing a good job trying to step forward.
Oh, look at that power. Look at that power.
No setup needed. He just looked to wing that right hand.
Well, Neeraj Pangal literally packs a punch. We've seen him fighting at MFN, throwing in some crazy leather.
I'm waiting to see how long it's going to take Pangal to take this fight to the ground.
Pangal is staying a little bit patient here, trying to get his moment.
No, it's usually a function of the respect that they have for their opponents. Is they both are taking their time to figure out what their strategy is going to be, because they don't want to step in and make a wrong move, especially at this level. Oh! Good front team. Slams into the mat. Up kick there from this position, and Pangal lets him back up. Interesting.
Well, that definitely has shocked Aqib Ali.
Trying to drag him. Aqib now pushing him up against the fence here, right in front of us. Kick to the shin there, slowly peppering down. Very nice drag. Beautiful body lock grip. Takes him straight down, and now he's going to slowly get to work. Nice shots there. Good defense by Ali. Very nice up kick attempt.
It's painful.
It's a painful and very nice. Left and right, got his attention there immediately. Look at that, he's limping on that leg. He's hurt his leg. You can see the way he's moving on that leg, which forces Aqib Ali to look for the takedown. You can see he's light on that front foot now. Nice thumping outside left leg kick. You can see the welt on those legs now. He needs to watch out.
Oh!
Trying to standing hammer fist. Slap fest now. Certainly unique striking. I'm seeing here. 10 seconds to go. He's trying to slap him.
That's some crazy hammer fist here by Neeraj Pangal.
He's trying to slap him. Stockton stands.
That's crazy fight between both these guys.
I don't know why he's so upset, but it ended incredibly between them. It always exists here, but let's go inside the ring with Jared Kyle, the voice, for the final decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Ben and Rupendra scored the bout 30-27. Judge Manas scored the bout 30-26 for your winner. By unanimous decision, Neeraj Pangal!
All right, let's look at the tail of the day. We've got Abhishek Rana, 34 years of age, 175 centimeters in terms of height, weighing in at lightweight. His style is judo, and he faces Neeraj Pangal in the red corner, 28 years of age, 181 centimeters in terms of height, and his style is MMA. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MFN 15 once again. Let's get the action started. Jason, once again, opposite stances.
Pangal is throwing out his lead hand, that jab. He's always looking to find his range.
Oh,
very nice.
Look at that,
one,
left, Abhishek,
beautiful.
left.
Immediately, he stiffened up instantly after that 1-2. Again, beautiful, fast jab.
Intelligent fighting here by Neeraj, not going to the ground. Look at that left hand.
Beautiful
Abhishek's left hand is...
But I think Neeraj Pangal's got his hands clasped around. It's going to be a little difficult.
Oh man, look at that brute strength.
Straight to the ground into side control. Hang on, he caught him. That was not a slip, my friend. He caught him.
He gets position.
Oh, hang on, Abhishek got caught with that 1-2, and immediately, look, again, those hips on Abhishek. Beautifully slips out of that. Cracked him with the counter, but wait a minute. He recovered. No, he's hurt again. Big knee, was that a wiggle? One second, was that a legal knee? One second, that was a legal knee. No, hang on.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, Rev Jim Purdy has called a stop to the fight after 3 minutes and 55 seconds of round 2, declaring the winner by knockout, Neeraj Pangal.
Well, with this, fight fans, here is the rematch that all of us have been waiting for since MFN 12. Neeraj Pangal takes on Digambar Singh Rawat once again, and this is the main event of the evening. Neeraj Pangal finally takes on Digambar Singh Rawat. It's crazy, it's unbreakable.
The calmness, the composure, and the fact that, look at these two guys, the fact that they make lightweight is just shocking. They have a lot of time. And it's interesting strategy. Both these guys are starting off slowly.
A very unique and different stance for Digambar. He doesn't fight southpaw, but he's been, man, throws in a big right.
Switches stances and comes over with a beautiful right hand. Fighting in southpaw, but comes a beautiful right hand. Again, the timing forces the shot out of Neeraj. Great strategy, changing levels immediately. But easier said than done. It's that leverage that he has. Interesting, he lets him go. Cracked him, coming in. Man, and good recovery by Pangal.
Digambar's got a shot, but what a recovery.
He's got a recovery. And that right hand hit home every time.